need to travel now. I'm here. Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn, New York. I'm moving about. On the move. I need to travel now. Live here in Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn. And I'm on Sheepshead Bay Road. Literally, they named the road from the area. They named the road after the area, I guess. Sheepshead Bay. I'm looking for sheeps. And I'm looking for a bee. Looking for a sheep, I'm looking for a head, and I'm looking for a bee. Live here in Brooklyn. The ground is wet, drizzly. No, we call it a drizzly day. It's drizzly. It's very drizzly. Drizzling. The rain is coming down. No sheep, no head, no bee. But I'm in Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn. Brooklyn. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw. This is what's going on. Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn. East 14th Street, Sheepshead Bay Road. Sheepshead Bay Road. Yeah, the road is here. Hey, that's something to put in your belly. Something to put in your belly. They have a boot selling something to put in your belly. Bus stop. You see people going by. Like I say, it's raining, it's drizzling. This is a shaky one. I'm holding it in my hand. The rain is coming down. USA. Look at flag. USA. Where should we go? Let's go down this way. Let's go down by the highway. Raining. Sheepshead Bay. Brooklyn. Need to travel? So I did. I'm here in Sheepshead Bay. Brooklyn, New York. USA. On the move. I'm on the move. Okay, so I'm coming down by the Belt Parkway. It's a belt and a parkway. We look for the belt. I'm going to look for the belt. And I'm going to look for the parkway. Hey! The Belt Parkway. That's the Q and the B train line over there. That's the Belt Parkway. See? Belt. Passengers, cars only. Passengers, cars only. Coney Island Avenue ahead. Homecrest on the left. Homecrest on the right. Coney Island Avenue. To the left. See, this is the park here. To the left. Everybody go to the left. This is the Belt Parkway here. So we're going up over the belt, over the belt parkway, over the belt parkway. This is a bridge. Now let's get down to the belt, to the belt. See the belt? Tall building over there. Over the belt, we're over the belt. Over the belt parkway in Brooklyn. I need to travel now, so I did. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm over the belt. The belt parkway. Traveling. It's raining. It's not raining buckets or droppers yet. It's raining drizzle or drop. You ever heard the saying it's raining buckets or drop? It's raining drizzle or drop. I needed to travel, so I did. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. Every so often, I need to travel. I need to get from one location to another. And that's what I'm doing right now. Thank you. Every so often, I need to travel. I need to get from one location to another. Yeah. See the train? That's so much more. That's it. Traveling, live here in Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn. Okay, well, I think over here, I leave Sheepshead Bay and I'm going over here to Brighton Beach. So this is the Brighton Beach section coming up. Can't tell you the exact line where it's Brighton Beach right now. I'll have to look it up. But I can tell you, I passed the Sheepshead Bay area, and I'm heading over to the Brighton Beach area. So let's look it up later and see the exact where the exact line is. So a big truck. Hold on to the big truck, man. Look at the big truck. So this is East 11th Street and Neptune. The Neptune Avenue. East 11th Street and Neptune. East 11th Street and Neptune. Right now, where I'm at, hey! They have a lot of streets in Brooklyn, they just hide the sign. They don't want you to see the sign. That's what I call it. I'm like hiding the sign. Like, you look at like, they have the pole there, but there's no sign. It's like a trick. They're like, don't see the sign. We don't want you to know where you are. Coney Island Avenue. This is Coney Island Avenue and Neptune. The Neptune. So I just cut it here, Coney Island Avenue and Neptune. I'll be back. Go advertise. Cars galore. Cars. I'll be back. I need to travel. So I did. Subscribe. I need to travel now. The journey continues.